Okay, so today we are going to be using Word to edit a picture and then add some text to it. So if you go down to the bottom and you go to Word, or if you need to, you can go to type here to search. You're going to go to Word and you're going to create a blank document. So now if you go down on the bottom, if you click on Google, or if you have to, you can open it. And you are going to type in the word collaboration. And I would go to images, just because you want to see a picture. That's what we're doing right now. Now, I would find a picture that you think relates to collaboration. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one. Once you click on it over here, if you right click right on top of it and say copy image, and then if you go down to the bottom to Word and then click in here, so you'll have a flashing cursor, right click and paste, you should get your picture. Now what I want you to do is paste it twice. So do you see your flashing cursor over here? So I'm going to hit return or enter so that I'm down here, and then I'm going to paste it again. The reason being is I need to see the edits that you make. So all I did was right click and go to paste again, and it was there. All right, so now if I take, you can do the top or bottom, it does not matter to me, but if I take and I click on the picture, up here in the toolbar, it comes up with picture format. So we're going to do a couple things. We want to do three things. One is we want to crop it. Crop it is to make it smaller in some way. So we're going to click on the little down arrow, make sure crop is there, and then we're going to make sure crop is there. You'll see these dark lines. So I'm going to take and I'm going to crop the picture like this. And when I like what it is done, I can also go this way if I wanted to. If I like where it's at, I hit enter. So that's one edit. The second edit is if you click on it and you go to picture format, there's something here called picture styles. And this is different kind of frames. There's a whole bunch of different things. I need you to pick one. It does not matter which one it is. Go through them, whichever one you like, and pick that one. The last one is if you go to picture format, if you go under corrections, I want to change it so that, no, that's too dark. I want to change it just so you can see that it will automatically make corrections. Please make sure that I can see the difference between them. Last, see your flashing cursor. If you hit your enter key, I need you to type 2 sentences telling me how this picture relates to cooperation. You're going to save it as, File, Save As. You're going to go to OneDrive, 2223, Digital Literacy, Q1, and name it DL2-1-6 Coolaboration. And then you can turn it in the Schoology folder. All right, guys, you can come in now. Thank you for waiting.